Second Poloso, Cortez, yes, kung walay board, lapos. Nice 1 point for Cortez.
50 seconds.
Blanco, the scoring machine for the night. Exactly 3.24. Time remain for the final quarters. So Balo, number 9 on jersey. Cardi for Cortez, yang amigo. In the ball, Capito, gumamit ang katawan. Kahiya. Foul. Sila Gagabon. Come on, you are. Ting. Graduate. Lapting ginis ang nuwagyan. Hindi! Shocking the ball, can't count, let's go! Warning for penalty. Lamak. The score 82 against 78. 82 against 78.